Welcome to CryptoVoyage. Today, we'll take you on a journey to explore Tether, USDT, the stablecoin that's making waves in the crypto world. Tether, USDT, is a cryptocurrency that's designed to be pegged to a fiat currency, like the US dollar. It provides stability in the volatile crypto market. One of the key features of Tether, USDT, is its ability to maintain a 1-to-1 ratio with the underlying fiat currency it's pegged to. With Tether, USDT, you can easily transfer funds across different crypto exchanges and wallets, enabling seamless transactions. Tether, USDT, has gained widespread adoption and is widely used as a trading pair in the crypto market, providing liquidity and convenience. As a stablecoin, Tether, USDT, offers a reliable store of value, allowing users to hedge against market volatility. Whether you're a crypto enthusiast or a trader, Tether, USDT, provides a reliable and convenient way to navigate the crypto world. Join us on CryptoVoyage as we continue to explore the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. Don't miss out.